This past summer's rap battle between Drake and Kendrick Lamar, and now it's at the center of a legal dispute, with Drake filing petitions to find out if Universal Music Group artificially boosted the popularity of Kendrick's hit diss track, Not Like Us.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
We're hearing a lot in the court of public opinion, but let's get the opinion of two actual attorneys. Joining us now, ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmire and entertainment attorney Kevin Casini. Let's start with you, Brian. Do you think Drake could have a strong case here?
Well, let's just be very clear. Like you said, this is a petition, not necessarily a lawsuit. And the argument that he's making is that he has enough information that he's asking a court both in New York and in San Antonio, Texas, to be able to depose individuals in UMG, iHeartRadio, and Spotify, because he believes that he has enough information to show that he can question these people, to show that there were bots that were being used to inflate the popularity of Not Like Us, or other techniques like pay to play or other schemes to inflate the popularity of the song. So I think at this procedure, he may have enough, but the question is, does he get the requisite information if he does get the depositions down the road?
Kevin, what do you think? Where does this go from here?
Tough to see what the end game would be. I agree that he's got high-powered attorneys that know what they're doing, that wouldn't have taken something this far unless they believed they could follow through. But I think you have to be careful when you cast aspersions. It seems unlikely that Universal would have to use those tactics for Kendrick's release and not for others, maybe even including his. So you might be careful what you're asking for here.
And here's a question for both of you. Kevin, we'll start with you. If these petitions are not actually about whether UMG boosted popularity of the songs, which they deny, then what do you think it could actually be about?
Well, there's always a PR component to all of this, right? I've heard questions online about perhaps this is a way for him to get out of his recording contract. Maybe it's an attempt to keep Kendrick Lamar from performing the song that shall not be named at the Super Bowl. I'm not sure exactly where it goes. Could be that the discovery, the disclosure that they're looking for will help them figure that out.
And guys, we know Kendrick makes some accusations about Drake's character on Not Like Us. Brian, why do you think he wouldn't have gone after a defamation claim instead?
Yeah, that's a really interesting aspect of it. I think maybe you're one of two things. First and foremost, we are seeing aspects of a defamation claim in these lawsuits, but it's not a full-throated, he's defamed me. It could be that he believes either one, the speculation that these allegations are true, because truth is a great defense towards defamation, or two, that Drake may feel that it's only the icing on the cake and not the heart of the argument, that there may be too strong of an argument of defamation, in the sense that this could be opinion or another defense that Kendrick could raise, or he just doesn't see it as a battlefield that he needs to fight. The street cred of coming after someone after their words is not something that one rapper has done against another rapper, in at least my memory.
And Kevin, could opening this up in the legal space actually have a negative impact on Drake? Could this backfire?
I'm not sure about how it would impact his credibility, but I can't imagine it actually gets him more fans for doing something like this. But if you look at the streaming numbers, I don't think he's hurting either. So a defamation claim might seem like more whining than anything else.
All right, the drama continues. We'll see how this all plays out. We will all be watching. Brian Buckmire and attorney Kevin Casini, thank you both.
Thanks.